In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so first of all, you need to go into your YouTube studio. You can do this on your phone or on desktop. Then next up, go to videos, then click on the video that you want to change the thumbnail from. Then next up, you want to go to details, which it does on default, and then scroll down. Then right there, you can actually see these thumbnails. You can select any of these, which are pre-made by YouTube, but you can also click right there on options, then click on change, and then you can actually select any picture right there. So if I click right there, I could actually change the thumbnail. If I hit save, then I would actually change it. Now I'm not going to do that since I don't need to, but that's exactly how you can change a thumbnail on YouTube. This works at any video, at any device. If you want to do this on your mobile phone, simply go into your YouTube studio, click on the video, then swipe right, go to settings, and then you can actually change the thumbnail. Now that's it, guys. If you enjoyed, if this helps you out, make sure you leave a like. I would appreciate that. Subscribe if you want to see more informative content like this. That's it for now. Enjoy your day.